Hi everyone. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you about the Java course in the Codeacademy. So I really like the Codeacademy tutorials and the courses, but it's not free. So usually the first and second, like the introduction, is free. So I'm just gonna let you guys like see the how the courses or the syllabus for the introduction looks like. Okay, so let's dive down. Let's start. Okay, so here we go. We have the introduction. Oh, my video is gone. Okay, save me. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna just start from the beginning. Okay, so Java is like pretty popular language now, so you can be just a Java developer as well in 2019. Okay, so yeah, so who developed Java? Java computer language. Computer language is developed by the Sun Microsystem. I think I think it was developed in the Bell Lab. I'm not sure. So it's the Sun Microsystem in 1995. So I was born in 1996, just a year before. So one reason why people love Java is the Java Virtual Machine or the JVM. So write once and run everywhere. So you write Mac and you can run the Java code in like Linux or everywhere. So this is a great picture. So the JVM does this cool thing like run everywhere. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of Java. So this is the Java file. Hello Java .java extension. Pretty cool, easy. Usually start with public static void here. Then you just have to define it as a class. When you want to print out anything like system.out.println, ln is for like to printing a line afterwards. Okay, what's the next? So commenting a code. That's like pretty like similar to most of the languages, like double slash, or like if you want to like make a long comments, then like slash and asterisk. Yeah, easy. Isn't difficult at all. But what's the exercise? Okay, it's done. So, oh, there's one more. Our program is still broken. Use the multi-line syntax to make these lines into a single comment. James Gosling is a Canadian engineer, and then we're gonna just end it here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, hello Java, you were born in 1995, created by James Gosling. Oh, he's the, okay. Fun language here. What's next? Semicolons and white spaces. Okay, what we looking at? Okay, let's look at the instruction. I was just trying to make it as short as possible, just so you could look at the Codeacademy interface. Yeah. The language vector Java represents information about using white spaces. Make the files easy to read by adding a new line after each statement. After each statement, make a. Okay, so I think it's talking about just making it readable. Is it? Yeah. So inside the main, this is the main. Add a new statement printing how you feel about coding. Okay, so since I can write anywhere system dot out dot print line. Okay, programming, it's cool. Okay, just let me know. Oh, should I miss the semicolon? Should work. Okay, almost there. Two more slides. Compilations are catching errors. Java is a compile. Okay. So the program, the compiler into class and the JVM into the program. Okay. So when you want to run the Java, you have to write Java C whenever you want to run your compile your program. It's easy. Let's practice compiling. Is okay. This is the program we have. So you go to your terminal. You just write Java C and the name of your file. Did I misspell it? Okay, compiling.java. And boom. What? Semicolon. What do you? what is, let's practice. Our text editor contains a broken program. Okay, so it's broken, and then run it again. Did it work? Press enter or return. Use the check work. Okay, so I need to check the work. Okay, cool. That's cool. So what's next? Do you see the error? The compiler sends one of the prints missing semicolon. Okay, I think I did that already. Maybe I'm one step ahead. Let's check that again. Yo, why you? This missing a semicolon. Still missing a semicolon? I don't think so. Oh, so I think I did not compile it. Let me compile. Let me run it again. Okay. 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 So you want me to check the. Oh, let's go to a different one. 3. Add the missing semicolon in the text and compile and execute this file in the next exercise. I think I already add the missing semicolon in the text editor, right? So let's try that again. Try that. Yeah, it's done. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so compilation, creating executable. So Java C will make it executable, and we run the Java and the name of the files. Okay, that's pretty easy. So let's compile and execute the program. Okay, so this is already, you know, we have this. So let's compile and execute our program. So run the ls, just listing all things you have. Okay, so this is the file we have. Uh, let's compile and execute it. Run the ls command. Okay, so you want me to run. So that's, it's like all doing together. Okay, can you do this? Java compiling. Boom, boom, check work, boom, compile the file from the terminal. I think I did it already, didn't I? Compile the file from the terminal. Java compiling, boom, into ls. Okay, so I have to do one by one. Boom. So in this lesson, we start writing on. We have learned Java at least one class, one main method. Okay. So comments, we learn about comments, whitespaces. Let's compile language. Compiling catches mistakes in our code. Okay, so we still have steps, instruction necessary to finish it. The text editor holds an empty file named linear. Okay, so we have this file. Define a public, define a public class review. Okay, semicolon. Use opening curly braces with remember no semicolon. Okay. Does it want me to write everything? Okay, just this. And then this code produces an error since we don't have the define the main method within the, so usually public static void main, if I remember it all. You could just write it like that, I think. Okay, so let's review this shit. Define, usually it's something like this. Argument, didn't I think so. Did you define main method within the review class? This is the class. Yeah, it is. Methods. Okay, so void main. Usually you could do that too. Okay, I kind of mess up. Okay, so public static void main. think that's what I did, didn't I? Method code goes here. Okay, so it's asking me to define a method again. Is it this code frozen because Java program needs a main method? Define a main method within the curly braces of the review class. That's what I did, didn't I? Yo, this is fake. I'm making it way too long. Sorry guys, supposed to work. What? I had the same thing before, you know? Inside the curly braces for the main method, write the main method. Write the main method, execute the tags of the customer. Inside the curly braces for the main method, write the main method, executes the tags of the class as a single line command. Okay, I know. So what methods are you asking me to just brief? Oh, so they were asking me to comment it. Okay. We're almost there, don't worry. So inside the curly braces for the method, write the main method, executes the tags of the class. So he wants me to write this same. Okay. Single statement that prints the following. Okay, we almost there. System out dot print line my first Java program from scratch. Okay, almost there. Just run it. Is that the last one? I'm desperate. Okay, cool. Are we done? Yay! Hello world. Lesson completed. So, okay, next will be the upgrade or the pro version. So I'm gonna stop it here. Hope you guys enjoyed.